morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today from the standard 7 English medium, unit number 3rd. In this unit, it's a poem and a chapter. The chapter name is The Hills of Peace and the poem is The Sad. So first I talk about the MCQ of the chapters. Let's see the instruction first. Read the statements given below and tick the option you feel is the right answer. MCQ number 1. The king was fed up. The king was fed up of what? Of the talk of Hills of Peace. What? Of talk of Hills of Peace. That is why the king was fed up. Everybody talks about the Hills of Peace and the king was fed up while hearing the Hills of Peace. So second, Gopal was clever. So what? Disguised himself. Gopal was clever, so he disguised himself. MCQ number 3rd. The king challenged Gopal to bring the huge hilsa from market to where? From market to palace. So third number is the correct. The king challenged Gopal to bring the huge hilsa from the market and come to the palace without talked about the hilsa feast. Not by only by you but also by the others. They even not talk about the hilsa feast. Okay. MCQ number 4. Gopal wished to fulfill the dream. Which dream? Which dream of the king? Fulfill the dream. Not to talk about the Hilsa feast. That was the dream of the king. Okay. Number 5. It was important to execute thing. It was important to execute thing which were 3 in number. What? Which were 3 in number. Number 6. Most of the people thought him to be who? Most of the people thought about the who? Gopal. That he was a madman. He was a madman. Next, the king had to order to blank to allow him in to Gopal. Okay, the king had ordered to his servant to bring the Gopal come inside the palace. The king inquired why Gopal. The king inquired why Gopal had come in that guise, means wearing this dress, torn clothes. Okay, that was. Okay. Gopal clearly reminded the king of what? The challenge. Talk about the challenge. He clearly reminded about the challenge to the king. MCQ number 10. The day was different as no one talked of the Hilsa feast. That was the day. Okay, when the king challenged to the Gopal that what? Not to talk about the Hilsa feast. Not by you but by the people. Okay, that was the challenge and the day was the different. Not all of the people from the village, they even not talk about the Hilsa feast. Number 11. Gopal was a different person. He had dared what? Dared to achieve the impossible once again. What? To achieve the impossible once again. That is the correct answer. The man carrying the fish seemed to be what? More important. Fish is not important, but who carry the fish is more important. How he looks. So these are the MCQ. These are the MCQ of the chapter of the Hilsa feast. Now comes to the poem. Poem is about the shade. Okay. Now the poem. The shade is located at The shade is located at the point of the garden. The point of the garden. The shade has remained. The shade has remained locked for long. Number third. Across the door, one can see the web of a spider. The web of a spider. Then next. Now see. The ghost lives under the wooden covering. Under the wooden covering of the door. The next, it will jump out to cut off the poet's head. Cut off the poet's head. Third, dare to set foot inside means. Dare to set foot inside means to go inside. That is the answer. That is the correct answer. Okay. Then next, see here. The poem, the Shade is a what? Narrative poem. Narrative poem. It was narrated by the narration. Okay, it was narration. The Shade is located. The Shade is located at the bottom of the garden. The bottom of the garden. Number third. What does the spider's web indicate? The spider's web indicate that the shade has not often been open. Okay, the shade has not often been open. Now comes to number 4. The child wished to open the shade. What trait it highlighted here? It highlighted here that it was very curious, means the curiosity about it. To keep through its window will require what? The courage of the child. That was the courage of the child required to open it. Okay, window. The warning of the brother is. What was the warning of the brother? That the ghost will kill him. What? That was the warning given by his brother. Who? One of the ghosts inside it, and it will be killed. Okay. 7. The speaker of the poem is a child. Is a child. And the last, the window mentioned in the poem is in the where? Bedroom, drawing room, garden, or sitting room. So the answer is garden. What? Garden. The window mentioned in the poem is in the garden. Okay. Then next, the author's brother wants him not to. What? Not to enter the shade. Why? Because of he said that was a ghost inside it and it would be killed. He will be killed by the ghost. That is why he doesn't wanted the author to enter the shade. Number 10. When the speaker passes by the window, he thinks that someone is staring at him. Someone is staring at him from inside. Okay. So these are the MCQs of Unit 3rd about the Hilsa Fish and about this shade, the chapter, the poem. Okay. And I hope you understand about these MCQs. Thank you.